Hey everybody, so the new iPhone 14 Pro Max showed up and I've had a few cases waiting around for it, and I have several more coming as well, but this video is going to be for these four. I'm going to show you the differences between all of them, and I'll put links down below for all four as well. That way, if you are interested in any of these, and then as the others show up, I will work on those videos as well. I know I have a few coming from some companies, and I ordered a few myself as well. All right, so I do have a couple different designs here. We got a couple clear ones. We have a charcoal kind of colored transparent, and then we have a wallet one. Anyway, let's do the charcoal one first. All right, so you can see that it is slightly see-through. You can't quite tell that this is a gold phone, but then again, if it was like a purple or something, you might be able to see it a little bit better. This one does have a metal kickstand as well, where you can easily have it in your horizontal or your vertical. So if you're wanting to watch videos, you can do that, or if you wanted to game on it, you can do that. It does have a decent lip for the camera to keep it protected. Same with the screen, there is a little bit of a lip there. And the case itself is pretty smooth. There is a little bit of grip when it comes to the buttons themselves. So the buttons, they do feel pretty nice and they do have some grip. Anyway, that will be the first case and pretty much sums up what you get with it. Now we got our second one, same company, but this one is going to be completely transparent see-through. All right, so when it comes to the case, it's going to be pretty much the exact same thing, except for being able to see through it, like I said. Of course, a different color would look a lot prettier. You know, if you got that pretty purple or one of the other ones, the gold one was the only one I was able to get quick enough. And the same thing, it's got the metal kickstand, it's got the same lips, and it has the same textured buttons. All right, here's the third case. This is the one I'm actually using today because it has the MagSafe on it. Now this one is pretty similar to the other one, except that, like I mentioned, it does have the MagSafe, but it does have the kickstand as well, which is also metal. And of course, you can use it the same way. But I do like that this one has the MagSafe, and it does work pretty well. I have a little MagSafe portable charger just to kind of demonstrate it real quick. And there it goes. Now it's kicked on and it's working, and it holds on pretty well. So you don't have to worry about the MagSafe being decent or not. It is pretty good. And that's why I use this one personally, because my car has the MagSafe charger on it. And then the fourth and last case here. So I'll go ahead and show you a little bit of the case before I throw it in. This one is called a Smartish. I chose this one because I wanted to give it a try for like traveling and stuff. I had a little magnetic MagSafe one on the 13. But the back side, you can see where it's got a slot where you can hold, I would say probably 3 or 4 cards, and you can put your credit cards, you can put an ID in there. You don't have to worry about your wallet. Let's say you're going to a theme park or a water park. You can leave your wallet, just take this. You don't have to worry about it getting wet and getting destroyed. You at least have your cards with you. Now, since this one is a lot thicker, it kind of just slants here at the camera, and it kind of just recesses in there, so you don't have that large lip sticking out, but everything else is kind of still bulky. The sides of the case has a little bit of a grip. The back side, a little bit, not much, but the sides definitely do. The buttons, they're pretty plain. But anyway, these are the 4 cases that I have right now. I will do some more videos, of course, because I have several more coming, like I mentioned. Now, if you are interested in any of these 4, I will put a link down below, and I will put the links in order of the cases that I showed, along with the general information on it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like I said, I will have some more videos, a lot more cases and different accessories and stuff coming. So if you are interested, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up if you like these kind of videos, and thank you for watching.